Was that just... Did I just catch it on video?
Helicopter!
In today's video, I'm gonna be opening 75 different crates. Yeah, a lot of crates, I know. The crates I'm gonna be opening are like these ones, but also I'm gonna be opening a full bag of pumpkins. Yeah, OG pumpkins. Okay, so guys, the bags I'm gonna be opening are this one with all these, this one with all the pumpkins, this one with all the mob, like blue crate things, and this one with 6 to make it 75 because all of this put together is 75. So we're gonna start with the blue box. We're gonna go ahead and start opening all the crates in this bag. What's the first item we get? Grenade launcher. Since it's going to take a while opening all these crates, I'm just going to do a time lapse. So let's get into it. You know what happens when you mix a bomb with a sword? Hehehe. Looks like that's this whole bag. Now we're going to move on to the most random crates. Now we're going to start opening the random crates. Oh! Here's a modded one. Oh my goodness! Another modded one. Ready? Oh! The obsidian crates. Oh, 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 oh. Like that's this whole bag. Now moving on to the 6th crate bag. This bag has like I think 2 pumpkins, 2 Valentine crates, and just 2 normal crates. Oh! And then last one, this is another pumpkin. And the next bag we have is a bag filled with these pumpkins. Oh, we're gonna start opening the pumpkin bag. And also, this is a bunch of OG items, so please subscribe. First pumpkin. Oh! Y'all ready for this? You might want to cover your eyes. Was that bright? Let me see. Next pumpkin. Flashbang. Hey guys, I think the pin is missing on this one. What do I... Oh, another flashlight. Hey, are you looking at me? Huh? Huh? Oh. Another one. Another one. Ooh. Did I just get a pumpkin inside of a pumpkin? Is that even possible? Yo, hold up. Is that what I just... Was that just... Did I just catch it on video? What? Okay. Oh, guys, look. Hey. Uh-oh. Oh, guys, look. I got flashbang. Oh. Flare gun. Yo! It just happened again! Bro. I didn't even know that was possible. Brother. This is insane. Oh! Oh, my bad. Plunger. Sorry. Under my umbrella. Pogo stick. Oh. Looks like that was all the crates. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, I really need help by subscribing. So, you could, hit that subscribe button. It would help out a lot. And just keep watching my videos. Yeah.